Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you two great ways that I like to wash my brushes. and these are pretty much all the brushes that I own. So not that many if you ask me. I definitely want to increase my collection in the near future, but I'm gonna show you, like I said, I'm gonna show you two great ways. One way is just an easy peasy lazy girl approved way, and the next way is just a deep clean that pretty much I think a lot of people use this way. But the first one is really legendary. When I found this out, I like jumped on it. It's just a lifesaver. So the first step is the lazy girl way. All you're gonna need are your eye brushes, small eye brushes, and a net laundry bag. Those are only two things, and I don't know if you could tell, kind of put two and two together, but I'm gonna throw my brushes into the washing machine for them to clean themselves and me to just chill on the couch and wait for the load to be finished. So what you want to do is you want to split all of your eye brushes, your smaller brushes, into smaller groups if you have a lot like I do. I think I have 13 and about 13 in each group. It does not have to be specifically 13. Just don't make the amount of brushes too big, because the more brushes are in there, the less clean each brush is going to get. And don't put too little, because that's just a waste of water and a waste of time. So I'm going to put each bundle in. So I'm going to have 4 loads here, and I'm going to put it in the laundry bag. And also, do not forget, do not skip the step. Put some clothes or linens or whatever, put something in the washing machine along with the brushes so they do not break in the washing machine. That is a must. You can't skip that. So I'm going to go over the sizes. Like you just saw, don't put small brushes in because it'll fall out of the bag. Don't put too dense of brushes, even though they're small. If they're dense, they're not going to get clean. If they're caked on with makeup, it's not going to get clean. However many loads, trials you go through with the washing machine, it's not going to get clean. Dense brushes, dense big face brushes are not going to get clean. These are the type of brushes that you have to just hand clean. There's just no way of going around it. So it's just not going to get clean in the washing machine. Even big fluffy brushes like this is just not going to get clean. These are the types of brushes, just regular eye brushes, like the flat brushes, I don't know what these are called. Blending brushes. You can even get away with this, like smaller face brushes. It's the concealer brush from e.l.f. So how I do it, I just throw the brushes in the bag, pull the string tight, and incorporate part of the bag in the knot. The tighter the knot, the better it is. And the reason I incorporate some of the bag into the knot, so it's way less easier for it to come loose in the washing machine, because that has happened to me before. Luckily, I haven't lost any of my brushes, so just make sure the knot is tight. And these are the brushes after coming out of a load of wash. Do not put them in the dryer. You have to let them air dry. Don't put them in the dryer. Once they're finished out of the washing machine, take them out, and they are definitely clean. Some of them are stained, but for the most part, all of them in this group and each group that I put in, they came out squeaky clean. So I love this step. It's so good. I don't have to do anything. The second step is just really obvious. A lot of people use this step. I'm using this kind of like, I don't even know what to call this handheld thing that it's by Real Techniques, and I'm taking this brush. You can obviously see that it's dirty. I'm taking some Joy. You can take any dish detergent. I use Dawn sometimes too. I feel personally that gets my brushes the cleanest. I've tried a lot of brush cleaners, a lot of nonsense, but just regular dish detergent is awesome. So I put a little water and let the little scrubbing dish, whatever, put some Joy in the dish and just scrub my brush away. And you can see that the makeup is coming off of the brush, and I don't really have to, like, this isn't putting a lot of effort into it, if I'm being honest, but it kind of is. But this step is really easy. It's just the deep cleaning of brushes, because pretty much all of my face brushes need deep cleaning, and this is the best way that I can do it and the easiest way for me. And yeah, so once I scrub it in the little dish, I rinse it off under the faucet, make sure all the soap is out, squeeze it, kind of squeegee it, and now you can see that it's squeaky clean. All of that is just white. It was brown, but now it's white. It's clean. So the next little trick that I have for this step, I actually use it for my smaller brushes too. Sometimes I hang my brushes to dry. So all you're gonna need is your brush and a rubber band. And this is really, really hard to film with one hand. So hopefully you guys understand. So I put the rubber band on the brush and I'm going to loop the rubber band around the little post that's already hanging up and around the brush, and it's gonna hang there. Ugh, I hope that makes sense. It's so hard to explain and it's also so hard to record, but as you can kind of see, you can kind of see it around. Once you do it, you'll understand. But that's the best way and the most like hygienic, clean, that's not a word, hygienic, a clean, easy way to dry my brushes. And I dry all my brushes like that, and it works so great. They just dry overnight and they're perfect. So those are the ways that I clean and dry my brushes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.